कालच्यान सामकी रिगरस ड्रायव्ह हातान घेतिल्ली आसा ती म्हणल्यार सगळी जी ही एडवर्टिजमेंट बोर्ड्स जे पळय लायताले पळय ते काडून उडोवपाचे एंड वी हॅव यूज द मशिनरी वीच वी आय मीन इन द म्युनिसिपालिटी वीच वी डीन हॅड विथ अस. सो आमी वेगळे गॅस कटर हायर करून थंयचे बोर्ड्स काडपाचें काम आमी स्टार्ट केलां. सो काल आमी उण्याच म्हळ्यार 70 तरी बोर्ड आमी काडिल्ले आसा. दे आर ऑल मेटल बोर्ड्स. सो एटलिस्ट तांचे स्टँडी ज्यो आशिल्ल्यो त्यो तरी मेटलाच्यो आशिल्ल्यो. इट वॉज अ टिडियस जॉब. सो विथ वॉट एवर टायम कन्स्ट्रेंट एंड रिसोर्सीस कन्स्ट्रेंट वी हॅव taken them off. The drive continued even today and it is going to continue for more days. It is requested to the general public that they themselves should remove the boards. Otherwise we would take action and we would remove it and the material which is confiscated will not be returned back. Yesterday we cleared the area starting from near the Grace Church, Grace Hospital. I think it's a Grace Church, behind a Grace Church, near the Reliance Trade Center and Apna Bazaar. More often, we are going to take the next action on the roads and especially those building and shopping complexes where we see the just standing boards and I have been just mushroomed and thereby giving the shabby look to the city. You just compare this, just compare it with the Panjim, where you would not find a single board just lying in the vicinity of the road. So, whatever the reasons may be, but here we have started that we have to make city clean